Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hi everybody, Wire here. Thought I'd make a quick little video on restoring these old oil cans. This is a copper one here, and this is a steel one. Quite a bit of rust on here, and quite a bit of patina, I guess everyone calls it. I call it oxidization. So what we're going to do is we're going to polish these up a little bit and see what they look like. I don't know what's going on with this. I bought these at a yard sale for $3 for both of them. So let me get set up here, and we'll start working on these. Okay, I knocked most of the rust off of this. Got it smooth. This is from the Pittsburgh GFM manufacturing company. Doesn't have any leaks in it or anything, because I did fill these up beforehand to make sure they didn't leak. So what we're going to do is put this on the belt sander and see if we can get this all polished up a little bit. This one here, I'm going to wind up putting a little bit of Tarnex on it to try to get this a little bit shinier. Then we'll put this on the belt sander and polish it up a little bit. This also doesn't leak. This was the stem for this one. It looks like it's a little bent. I'm not going to try to bend this back. I really haven't had too much success in trying to bend these back. This is fine the way it is for me. This looks like somebody just cut the top of it off. I'll probably look around and see if I can find another one to put on top of this oil can. But in the meantime, I'll just leave it empty, and until I get another top, we'll just use it as a wall hanger. But I do want to polish these up. So let's get to it. Let's Tarnex this one, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, here's here's the oil cans all finished. Let's start with this one. Fortunately, this was not a copper oil can. It was copper plated. So I took as much as the copper off as I could. Bottom's not too bad. I really didn't want to go any farther because there's a lot of pitting on this, and I really don't want this thing to leak because I am going to use this. But it did turn out really decent. Yeah, the other one over here turned out real well, nice and shiny. And now I'm going to show you guys what I use in all my tools. I use Butcher's bowling alley wax on all my tools. The bed on my table saw, I always polish it up. It keeps it from rusting, but it works very well. I've had this thing for 15-20 years and haven't even put a dent in it. But these did turn out very well, and I'm pretty happy with the way they are. I'm going to be using these, and as soon as I can, I'm going to find out, see if I can find another top to this. Anyway, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. All comments are welcome. This is Christmas Eve. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next year. Have a good one. This is Wire at Wireworks.